Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Shukla and today I will give out to you the details of the NIO's second quarter results that just came in right now, and I wanted to tell you some of the quick figures in my whiteboard, an easy way to understand all the figures, what has come out and what is the future looks like. So we already knew this figure, and if you have looked my previous video about my earning forecast, then those figures have come very close to what I had predicted. We knew that the car sales were 10,331, and I had given a very simple formula for the car sales number translation to the revenue. Just divide this figure by 20, divide this figure by 2, and then remove 1 zero. You get $500 million, and the revenue, it just came in close there. So the revenue due to the car sale were 493. There were other revenue, probably the car battery charging or services and all these things. So the total sales is 526. So the simple formula is take this car number, divide it by 2, and then you get the total revenue number, very close to that. So that being said, this is a good number, but the stock market is high, and what was not clear in this result earlier, and what I could not forecast was what was their gross margin. The gross margin would be what the cost that it takes to build that car, not including their R&D and other expenses that are not related to the manufacturing of the car. They are positive 8.4%. So for every $100 million that they are putting in manufacturing the car, they are getting like $8.4, and this is good news, because with this car sale number, you need to have a certain threshold that you need to cross before you get profitable, and NIO has crossed that hurdle. So that is another good news. That's one reason why the stock is up today. And then the total loss, they are close to $166 million, and we expect that as this number goes up. So what it looks like, this number needs to go to double. So they will need to sell like $20,000 so that their overall losses start getting wiped out. And then that translates into like 16 cents of I think that's a mistake in the number. So we have like 16 cents per share loss of this. Now looking into the numbers into the next quarter, the third quarter, and that's what they predict, that in the third quarter they are looking at 11,000 to 11,500 sales, and that is very predictable because their July numbers are out, and that July number beats the previous three month numbers. And if we just simply use that 3,500 and something, we see that probably this number is a little underwhelming. I'm expecting more like 11,500 or more. We should not be surprised if this number goes to like 12,000, because they have a new car EC6 that's already launched, and that the pre-orders are already being taken, and the delivery of EC6 will start in September. So July and August, they're always about the same, 3,500. I'm expecting 3,500 to 4,000 in August as well. So that brings us to 7,000, maybe a little more, so 7,500. But the September number I'm expecting to be 4,000. So that's where these numbers are coming up, and based upon this, again, you need to just divide it by 2. You get a number very close to the revenue number of $572 million to $596 million. We should expect the losses to keep going down. Close to, I would expect, now not be surprised if it's like less than close to $125 million, and so on and so forth. So this is what a quick earning of these things. NIO is on track to sustained and continuous growth. We have number that has no more jumping up and down no more. So the investors have more confidence into NIO now, and that's one thing that is driving the NIO sale price up. I hope you find this quick summary helpful. I will be updating you as we get the more data and more results. Thanks for taking a look.